Good evening to everyone. I hope that you and your family are safe and protected. Never had we imagined that we would ever have to encounter something as what we are experiencing right now. बहुत मुश्किल थे ना वो लॉकडाउन वाले दिन. But like we said, the show must go on. Life is getting back to track while we adjust to the new normal. Online classes are a part of these changes. Trust us when we say that we feel every nerve of anxiety in you. पेंडेमिक शुरू हुआ तो हमें ये ख्याल आया जरूर था कि अब बच्चों की पढ़ाई का क्या होगा. Welcome to Silver Oak Kids presents Preschool at your doorstep. We're knocking. Are you opening? Thank you all to all the attendees and panelists for joining us today. I'm Himali, the moderator, along with my fellow moderators, Miss Dimpy and Miss Ekta. Together, we will all share some insightful information about online teaching and about our online teaching methodologies with you. Before we make an official start and I introduce our panelists, please allow me to share a few details. We are screening this webinar live on Facebook for the benefit of all our parents. And after a few hours, you'll also be able to watch a recorded version of this webinar on YouTube, and you shall receive the link for the same. Please do not worry about feeling unheard. हम आपको सुन सकते हैं, हम आपकी चिंता समझ सकते हैं और उन्हें यहाँ एड्रेस करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. इसलिए ये मत समझिए कि हम आपको अभी सुन नहीं पा रहे तो आपकी कंसर्न्स हम एड्रेस नहीं करेंगे. Today is all about putting things across from our understanding. But to hear you, we shall conduct an online orientation program for our existing parents, जिसके डिटेल्स हम आपके साथ जल्दी शेयर करेंगे. जो भी टॉपिक्स हम आज कवर नहीं कर पाए हैं वो सब कुछ हम उस ओरिएंटेशन में कवर करेंगे. आप मुझे होस्ट बना दीजिए. Current situation is a battle against something that isn't in our hands. हम चाह कर भी कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे बच्चों का फ्यूचर हम सब के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो हम आज का वेबिनार ओरिएंटेशन और आगे के सारे क्लासेस यही समझ के करेंगे कि आप और हम दोनों एक ही तरफ है, बच्चों की भलाई की तरफ. It is for this reason that we will call this orientation session Binding with Bonding. Let us bond with one another and work towards quality education for our children. Issues तो होते ही है, लेकिन वो मिलकर सॉल्व भी तो हो सकते हैं. With that out of the picture, let us begin today's webinar, Preschool at your doorstep. We're knocking. Are you opening? हम स्कूल को घर लाने के लिए तैयार है. क्या आप हमारे लिए दरवाजा खोलेंगे? The webinar aims to address the basic concerns parents have about online education for preschoolers through a panel discussion. You can learn more about how to protect your child's right to education and what is the child's benefit of continued learning. Joining us today on the panel is Ms. Khushali, consulting counseling psychologist for Silver Oak Kids. She also serves as the assistant professor of psychology at Mithibai College, Mumbai. She will give us insights through the psychological perspective in the best interest of the kids. We also have with us Ms. Swati Arya, principal of Silver Oak Kids, to share with us the school's perspective. Additionally, we have with us Mrs. Ankita, an ex-parent of Silver Oak Kids, to share with us the parents' perspective. A warm welcome to all of you. Everyone watching us right now on Facebook could find a lot of their questions answered because of you people here. So thank you. We shall look into three major concerns today, which could resolve a lot of minor concerns. So let us begin. अब जैसे ही पेंडेमिक शुरू हुआ, anxiety and stress have kicked in with great intensity since the onset of it. In this scenario, it is very natural for every parent to worry about their child's safety and education. Let us explore the various concerns the parents have about online teaching. I'd like to ask Mrs. Ankita first and get a good understanding of the major concerns that affect you as a parent. क्या चीजें हैं जो आपको स्ट्रेस करती है आपके चाइल्ड के एजुकेशन को लेके, एंड व्हाट इज इट दैट वरीज टू यू अबाउट ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग until it is safe for us to open the schools?
Hello everyone. I would like to say that I'm not that stressed compared to the parents who have their kids in higher standards. But yeah, as per my concerns, they are that I cannot provide him that interactive environment at home. Like you must have heard the saying that peer-to-peer learning. So the more he can learn and enjoy with his age companions, it's really tough for him to find a companion in me, a person who can be that crazy, that funny, giggling around with him on silly things. I cannot do that. I can do that up to a point, but finding silly things good or funny is really tough for a parent, for a mature person. And yeah, learning through a technical medium is like, there have been days I have never ever asked him to sit beside a screen, or have forced him to see videos back to back just to complete a curriculum, and now I have to do it. So I'm concerned about his health somewhere. That impacts his physical activity point of view also, if we see that we are asking him to sit in front of the mobile or in front of the laptop. So when there is a online session in which they have to do actions, they have to perform actions on a rhyme, he doesn't feels like getting up. He's like, I'll sit and listen. Mama, main baith ke hi sununga. He would not feel like clapping or jumping. I need to force him again and again for that. Yeah.
Okay. That's a very interesting thing. I think you have shared with us both point of views. एक तरीके से ये आप कह रहे हैं कि आपका बच्चा इंटरेक्टिव लर्निंग मिस करेगा. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने स्कूल को, हंसना खेलना, सबके साथ बैठना, सोशलाइज करना, वो सब कुछ मिस कर रहा है. लेकिन ऑन दी अदर हैंड यू आर आल्सो वरीड कि जहां हम उनको स्क्रीन से दूर रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं अब उनको स्क्रीन के सामने ला रहे हैं. I mean, I don't want to take away any goodie points from our panelists over here, but what I'd like to add is, and since this is one of our USPs, so I'd like to add it right here, that Silver Oak Kids does not plan to send any recorded videos, but it's going to go live with the children where we can interact one-on-one. So if they are not standing, we can immediately address the child की क्या problem है, and we can उनके हिसाब से हम उनको ढला सकते हैं. So this is one USP that I'll point out. But then what you've said is a very interesting point. एंड इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे कंसर्न्स है पेरेंट्स को. सो लेट मी डायरेक्ट दिस क्वेश्चन टू द प्रिंसिपल मिस स्वाति. लॉट ऑफ अदर पेरेंट्स वुड हैव कम विद अ मिलियन अदर कंसर्न्स. आफ्टर ऑल उनके बच्चों की एजुकेशन की बात है. व्हाट अदर कंसर्न्स हैव यू कम अक्रॉस?
Thank you, Anali, for giving me this opportunity. Now, the major concerns that we educators receive from parents, I'll point out a few, which are the major concerns. Some say we want to take a break. We will enroll from next second term. When it is online, why should we pay the fees? My child won't sit for the class. We will teach at home. Nowadays, that is a new trend. So these are the major concerns. Listening to them, we educators really feel concerned that accommodating the needs of these parents, the need of the society, and continue growing, and the child needs to continue learning and achieve the developmental milestone is really very difficult. So this is the major concern of us educators.
Right, I understand. It's a very difficult situation for the parents as well as the teachers. कोई किसी को blame नहीं कर सकता है. So let's get a psychological perspective on all of these concerns. Ms. Kushali, what do you have to say about all of these concerns that parents are coming up with? Like even Ms. Ankita just shared with us that it's like what to do, what not to do kind of a situation. So आपके हिसाब से what would you want to tell all of these parents who are so worried about their child's education right now?
Yeah, thank you for the question. As a practicing counseling psychologist, and the fact that I'm getting like an innumerable number of calls to talk to and offering support to people, especially during the first part of the lockdown, it has been really bad for a lot of people. So when I look at them, and many of them were parents as well, when I hear them, I hear that there is something else that is an elephant in the room that we are not addressing here, and that is बच्चों के लिए तो हम चिंतित है, but हमें हमारी ही लाइफ के लिए भी बहुत चिंता है. We are ourselves as parents worried. We are worried about our jobs. We are worried about our homes. We are worried about our finances. We are worried about our health. A lot of adults, more than children, are facing the paranoia कि I might be the next who gets affected by the virus. सब्जी लेने जाते हैं, ऊपर आते हैं, I know of so many women who will stand with the towel and they will rush and usher their husbands into the bathrooms to get into a shower and, you know, sanitize. And how many hours do we spend cleaning the vegetables? All of this is an indication that हम सब खुद डरे हुए हैं. तो अगर हम डरे हुए हैं, जाहिर सी बात है कि हमारी डर हमारी जान के लिए, हमारी दुनिया के लिए, हमारे नन्हे सितारों के लिए तो जायज बनता है ये डर. So my first option to look out for parents is आप पहले अपना डर देखिए. कहीं ना कहीं हम अपना डर ना देखकर बच्चों के डर को इतना बड़ा बना देते हैं कि बच्चों के डर के लिए जो सॉल्यूशंस आते हैं वो हम सुन ही नहीं पाते, क्योंकि बेसिक डर एड्रेस नहीं हुआ है, बेसिक वरी एड्रेस नहीं हुई है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू टॉक टू समबडी. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स अवेलेबल. किसी दोस्त से बात कीजिए कि ये चिंता हो रही है. सो एड्रेस योर प्रॉब्लम्स. Second, I feel parents are also feeling a loss of structure in their own lives. पहले एटलीस्ट बच्चे एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक घर से बाहर चले जाते थे, हस्बैंड्स घर के बाहर चले जाते थे या वाइफ किसी काम में लग जाते थे. There was a schedule, there was a structure that made us feel कि हम हमारी लाइफ के कंट्रोल में हैं. अब बिल्कुल बाहर चला गया है. We are all on mercy and luck. So my second request to parents is that you get structure in your own life too. Let there be a time to wake up. Let there be a time for certain things. Let there be a baby time. Let there be a husband time. Let there be a me time. जो me time घर खाली होने पर मिलता था या ऑफिस में मिलता था, उसे आप दिन में बनाइए, उसे आप हफ्ते में बनाइए. अपने आप को कंट्रोल फील कराने के लिए अपने आप को हेल्प कीजिए. आई थिंक that will reduce like 50% of the worry that these guys. Sorry, what I was saying is तकलीफ कहीं और है और हम कहीं और शायद रूट हो रही है, अनजाने में ही सही ये रूट हो रही है. The third concern that I heard is screen time के बारे में, which Ms. Ankita pointed out very correctly. The American Pediatric Association and the World Health Organization दोनों suggest करते हैं कि 2 से 5 साल के बच्चों के बीच में सिर्फ 1 घंटे का स्क्रीन टाइम होना चाहिए. मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये 1 घंटे का स्क्रीन टाइम स्कूल की पढ़ाई के लिए हो और बाकी का जो रेगुलर स्क्रीन टाइम है उसको ऑल्टरनेटिव बनाया जाए, उसको एक रिप्लेसमेंट दिया जाए, आइदर थ्रू बुक्स, थ्रू कलरिंग, थ्रू हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज, through gross motor, fine motor skills, through activities where the bacha can physically grow. So there are ways to come out with it. मेरा बच्चा बैठता नहीं है, fair enough. Every bacha will have a different need. Every bacha has a different concern. मेरे हिसाब से एक माँ बाप अपने बच्चे को सबसे ज्यादा समझ पाते और कोई नहीं समझ पाएगा. Okay, so if my bacha is not sitting, what can I do for making my bacha sit? What are the times that usually he sits? Can I introduce that here? Can I blend something here? My suggestion is to try and find things. By saying all of this, my request to parents is to understand कि preschool का मतलब क्या है. Pre-school है, स्कूल जाने से पहले जो skills की जरूरत होती है, स्कूल में बड़ी बड़ी बातों समझने के लिए, लैंग्वेज की जो जरूरत पड़ती है, कॉन्सेप्ट की जो जरूरत पड़ती है, नंबर्स, अक्षर, कलर, रंग, शेप, एनिमल्स, जो बेसिक फाउंडेशन की जरूरत होती है स्कूल में बड़ी बड़ी बातें करने के लिए, वो प्री स्कूल एस्टैब्लिश करती है. और ये एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फैशन में प्री स्कूल करा सकती है. आप घर पे पढ़ाइए, वंडरफुल, एक्सीलेंट. जो स्ट्रक्चर, जो एक्टिविटीज, जो डेवलपमेंटल माइलस्टोन के हिसाब से जो एक्टिविटीज बनाई जाती है, परहैप्स दैट कुड बी मिसिंग. मैं मानती हूँ कि ये कंप्लीट स्कूल का रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है, बट समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. बच्चा एक दूसरे को देखेगा. It is going to be live. So I hear your worries, dear parents. I completely empathize with it. But I also request you that for the Jaan that you have in your life, look beyond it. I hope that helps.
Yes, that I'm hoping that helps a lot of the parents who are listening in to us right now. Basically, what you are saying is स्क्रीन टाइम के बारे में चिंता ना करें. अगर स्क्रीन टाइम के बारे में चिंता है तो बाकी एक्टिविटीज में, जहाँ पे वो लोग गेम्स में या इन अदर वॉचिंग वीडियोस, कार्टून्स, वहां पे कट करके ये टाइम उनको अगर 2 घंटे 1 घंटे पढ़ने को मिल जाए तो बाकी टाइम में वी कैन डेवलप इन देम अदर स्किल्स टू स्पेंड देयर टाइम, लाइक कलरिंग और पेंटिंग और प्लेइंग विद क्ले और थिंग्स लाइक दैट, स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद फैमिली, रीडिंग, एक्सेट्रा. And also what you're also another important point that I can draw out of what Ms. Kushali just shared with us is we have to make the most out of the situation. अभी situation ये है कि यही है, आप उसको बदल नहीं सकते, हम उसको बदल नहीं सकते, तो इस situation में यही हो सकता है, तो हम यही करते हैं. हमने एक्चुअली ये भी नोटिस किया है कि बहुत सारे सवाल ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग को लेकर है पेरेंट्स को, और ज्यादातर पेरेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा घबराए हुए हैं. सो आई वंस अगेन डायरेक्ट माय क्वेश्चन टू मिस अंकिता. a lot of parents are under the impression कि अगर ये साल ड्रॉप कर दिया जाए या अगर मेरा बच्चा डायरेक्टली सेकंड टर्म से एंट्री ले ले तो चलेगा. आपका क्या मानना है एज ए पेरेंट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
Somewhere I'm also sailing in the same boat as the other parents are. And because as I have said earlier also, this again increases their screen time, and a child misses that bonding on screen with a teacher, which he actually used to get during the school time. Finding a new face on a screen is not easy for a child to accept that easily. I have seen that in my child. He has a different class teacher rather than he used to had 2 years back. So now having that bonding with that teacher is really tough for him. Like I have to tell him, say hello to her, say hi, tell her that I'm enjoying at home. I have to tell him all that thing. So if we have if we had a live session yesterday itself from the school with a teacher. So I could not make him sit more than 20 minutes. He was bored like anything because he could not hold on that teacher मुझे ही अकेले को इतना मतलब क्यों रिप्लाई नहीं दे रही है, क्यों कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर रही है मेरे ऊपर. बार बार बच्चे को रहता है ना कि मुझे बुलाए, मेरे नाम से बुलाए, which is not actually easy. As you said earlier that you are going to give live in you're going to interact with individually with a child is really good concept, because actually what a child needs is concentration. He misses that. He can feel the concentration within seconds. He can feel that कि ये person मेरी तरफ ध्यान दे रहा है कि नहीं दे रहा है. एक बड़ा person ignore कर देगा, पर एक बच्चे को वो बात जल्दी से feel हो जाती है, और वो जो जितना caliber से एक काम कर रहा होता है ना, वो बहुत reduce हो जाता है that very moment.
I understand. The amazing basic thing for little children of this age between 2 to 5 is that कि वो स्कूल में आए तो उसको अपने टीचर से वो अटेंशन मिले, क्योंकि आकर वही चीजें रिपीट करनी है जो टीचर ने क्लासरूम में किया, और अब वो नहीं मिल रहा है. टीचर बुला नहीं रही है, प्यार से बात नहीं कर रही है, हग नहीं कर पा रही है, तो वो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है. लेकिन येट अगेन वी अप्रिशिएट दैट यू लाइक द आइडिया ऑफ ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, सो दैट अगर कुछ हो रहा है तो लेकिन हम नाम लेके बच्चे को बोल सकते हैं कि बेटा ऐसा. So that is one thing that
I would like to add one thing more in this.
Sure.
Why online teaching? Because at least we get a structured approach towards what do we need to teach him at home, him or her at home. Right now what I'm doing is I'm taking a random video and making him read that thing, or I'm taking a random worksheet and making him do that thing. But I don't know that this is appropriate for his age person or not. For example, I play Sudoku with him. I'm giving him small Sudoku puzzles. So, but I keep questioning myself: am I pressurizing him?
Okay.
Is it the correct time to introduce this thing to him? Or for example, 5-letter words or 4-letter words. So I keep questioning myself that is this thing going according to the curriculum? Is this what the school must have taught them if he would have been going school as a regular pattern?
Right. Which is why educators like us are really scared कि अगर बच्चा सेकेंड टर्म में आएगा तो आगे के जो 6 महीने का या 3 महीने का या 4 महीने का सिलेबस हमने दूसरे बच्चों के साथ कवर किया है, उस पॉइंट पे वो कितना लॉस्ट करेगा. He'll feel so lost. The child will feel so lost at that particular point of time. Let me redirect this question to Ms. Kushali, our counselor on this panel right now. What do you think? What is the impact it will have on a child if they take a drop? Because like you said, ये school से पहले का school है. We are preparing a child for school. So ऐसे time पे अगर वो इतना time drop लेता है या सीधा second term पे आता है, what do you think would be the impacts?
We know through research that 98% of the brain development happens by 5 years of age. When the child is born with just about, let's say, a small peanut size or brain size, which by the time the child is 5 years of age picks up rapid growth. Parents who have children will vouch for this. बच्चे कब बड़े हो जाते हैं between 1 to 5 पता नहीं चलता है. What I'm trying to say is to indicate कि speed of growth कितनी है. Now imagine अगर इतनी speed of growth है, but fuel आपने थोड़ी सी ही दी, तो ट्रेन जिस गति पर एक्चुअली पहुंचनी चाहिए स्टेशन पे जल्दी उसके समय पर, या वो थोड़ी धीमे पहुंचेगी या थोड़ी इनकम्प्लीट पहुंचेगी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इट विल बी लाइक द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड और इट बी वेरी बैड और बहुत खतरनाक हो जाएगा अगर बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाता है. बट दिस, हियर मी आउट, 0 to 5 इज अ सेंसिटिव पीरियड. ये जो सीड है उसको सही वातावरण दिया जाए, it will grow, it will flourish, and it will break at the right time to be outside the soil when the child goes to first standard. I also want to update whatever I'm saying and back it up by a recent news. हाल ही में 13 जून को इंडियन अर्ली चाइल्डहुड एजुकेशन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया की प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर स्वाति पोपट व्यास ने महाराष्ट्र के चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री उद्धव ठाकरे को लेटर लिखा है कि उन्होंने जो बैन रखा है प्री स्कूल्स चालू करने के लिए ऑनलाइन, उसको लिफ्ट किया जाए, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत मिस आउट करेंगे. एंड उन्होंने जो लेटर में, शी इज रिटन अ नाइस लार्ज लेटर to the chief minister requesting him to remove the ban because their socio-emotional well-being, their gross fine motor skills are all going to be a little, let's say, haphazard. I'm so glad that Miss Ankita as a parent sees that you can do something, but when your bacha deserves the best, why stop? Again, I repeat, it's not like a perfect replacement, but something is better than nothing. आज बच्चे हमारा पॉपुलेशन का 20% है, कुछ साल बाद बच्चे हमारी पॉपुलेशन का 100% होने वाले हैं, एंड दे आर गोना टेक केयर ऑफ अस. तो ये मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफें ना हो तो आप ड्रॉप आउट ना लें. फाइनेंशियल कंसर्न्स हो, आई वुड अप्रोच द स्कूल एंड से लिसन, आई एम स्टक, बट इट्स माय चाइल्ड्स राइट टू कंटिन्यू एजुकेशन. कैन यू हेल्प मी विद अ फ्यू अलाउंसेस? आई एम श्योर दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम जब इंसानियत जागी है काफी लोगों में, अकोमोडेशन किए जाएंगे. घर पे कोई अवेलेबल नहीं है, टॉक टू द स्कूल, दे विल, आई एम श्योर, अरेंज फॉर सम रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस, कुछ भेजेंगे आपके लिए. these schools are there for the child. हमसे ज्यादा ये स्कूल्स बच्चों के लिए है. आई एम श्योर कि अगर आपकी जो छोटी छोटी तकलीफें, अगर आप उनसे कहेंगे कि भाई मेरी ये तकलीफ है, मैं पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ, द फोकस ऑन माई वर्ड दिस टाइम इज चाइल्ड्स राइट टू एजुकेशन. जस्ट बिकॉज मैं डरी हुई हूँ मैं मेरे बच्चे को स्कूल ना भेजूं, थिंक क्या ये डर कितना जायज है, ये डर मेरे बच्चे के फ्यूचर के लिए. 1 घंटा क्या मैं उसे बैठकर नहीं पढ़ा सकती? आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बैक अप व्हाट आई एम सेइंग विद सम मोर स्टडीज. यूएस में काफी सारे ऐसे स्कूल्स हैं जो वर्चुअली चलते हैं. There are programs like Upstart, there are programs like Head Start, K10 to K12, which are running fabulously well on online. जो बच्चे फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड है, जो बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा बुली होते हैं या इमोशनली या मेंटली डिस्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, जिनको स्कूल के वातावरण में नहीं भेजा जा सकता, जिनके बच्चों को सोशल एंजाइटी होती है व्हेन दे कांट एड्रेस लार्ज ह्यूज क्राउड्स, जिनके बच्चे perhaps they are the single caregiver and they have a younger child to take care of at home. Maybe they are in neighborhoods जहाँ पे वो स्कूल अकेले नहीं भेज सकते, शायद neighborhoods में schools नहीं है. कुछ बच्चे जो एथलेटिक्स में जाना चाहते हैं, एक्टिंग में जाना चाहते हैं और पूरा टाइम स्कूल में नहीं बिताना चाहते, अपने स्किल पे वर्क करना चाहते हैं, बट दे नीड अ सर्टिफिकेट. दे आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर दीज प्रोग्राम्स एंड गेटिंग सर्टिफाइड बाय अ रेगुलर स्कूल थ्रू ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग. ये कहने से मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि ऑनलाइन ही सही, ट्रेनिंग की क्वालिटी में कमी नहीं होगी. जेन्युइन कंसर्न्स है, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, बच्चे वो नहीं करते हैं जो हम बोलते हैं, बच्चे वो करते हैं जो हम करते हैं. आई एम श्योर इफ यू थिंक अबाउट योरसेल्फ, जब हम छोटे होते हैं तब हम मम्मी डैडी को या हमारे केयर गिवर्स को गॉडिफाई करते हैं और हम बकायदा उनकी पूरी इमेज, उनका देखना, बोलना, सुनना, बिहेव करना स्वॉलो करते हैं हमारे दिमाग में. इसलिए कभी कभार हम ये बोल देते हैं ना, बिल्कुल अपने बाप की तरह कर रहे हैं. क्यों? बच्चा वही करता है जो हम करते हैं, बच्चा वो नहीं करता है जो हम कहते हैं. So when my बच्चा sees कि मेरी मम्मी मेरी स्कूल के लिए कितनी मेहनत कर रही है, they will empathize with you. बच्चों को एम्पैथी ज्यादा जल्दी आती है एडल्ट्स से. So my request is कि अगर बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ना हो, प्लीज आइए, ब्रेन के डेवलपमेंट को फैसिलिटेट कीजिए, तकलीफें हैं तो बात कीजिए, बट बच्चे की चाइल्ड ऑफ राइट टू एजुकेशन को प्रोटेक्ट कीजिए.
That I'm hoping that opens up a lot of closed doors for many people. That said, not that I'm trying to make a false point here, but then like you said, that this is our future, and our future, if we can, then our future deserves a chance at an unstopped or unintervaled education, which I think they should get. And like you said, that parents can go to schools, they can address their issues, they can address, even we've had so many parents come to our school as well, and all of their concerns have been addressed, especially because we know that this has been a very bad situation, especially financially, for a lot of people. And we do not want to, a common misconception that I find is that parents feel that फीस कमाने के लिए स्कूल स्टार्ट किए जा रहे हैं, but that's not true. अगर ऐसा होता तो there wouldn't be other facilities that schools would be willing to give to accommodate children in all situations. So with what you have said, Ms. Kushali, I'm sure it clears up a lot of confusion that we are not here, schools are not here. But that's not how it really works. I think I'm offline.
Yeah. I guess we're experiencing a little Wi-Fi glitch from the moderator's end. All right. Perhaps the academic head would like to address this concern and talk about what do you think as practically you would face problems, because I said the psychological side. Yeah.
Yes. Well, I also feel that taking a break from the school or dropping an academic year is not a really good idea.
Hello.
Yes, Himali ma'am. Hello. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not able to see people moving right now, but I'm guessing that I'm being heard. Internet है, technical issues है, होंगे, शायद classes के वक्त भी हो, unfortunately. But जब पहली बार मोबाइल्स आए थे, पहली बार कंप्यूटर्स आए थे, हमें वो भी चलाना नहीं आता था. So we're all learning right now. We have to make do with what we have, and hoping that I'm being heard and my voice is coming across to everybody.
Yes.
We've had two excellent perspectives, one from a parent, one from a psychologist. Let's go to our academician over here, Ms. Swati. What do you think about children dropping a school year?
Yeah, well, I feel that taking a break from school or dropping an academic year is really not a good idea. A few practical problems that we would experience is that the children, when they come after 6 months or 1 year, they are lost. They don't know what has happened for the past 6 months and 1 year, whereas their friends have already caught up with a lot of things. And also all these months, he's lost touch even socially with his friends and teachers, which he would have been doing even on online schooling if he was on screen. Even let it be for half an hour, but still the child is socially involved with his friends and teachers.
Yeah.
And so I feel that taking a break is really not a good idea. And like Ms. Kushali said, it's not going to be the end of the world. But yes, it will be challenging for the child and the teacher to adjust again, bring him back again and adjusting to the whole atmosphere. So I feel it's really not a very good idea about it. But then after all, it's the parents' decision. But as academician, I would really recommend strongly that online schooling should be continued and not taken a break. Hi, Avik. Hi, Avik.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Avi.
Oh, my baby. Wow.
That is a superstar of tomorrow.
Yes. Actually, he's my Silver Oak Kid hero. Wow.
I guess Ms. Himali is facing another technical glitch.
Mali ma'am?
Okay, am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay,
Go
I
ahead.
was saying that it was a lovely little surprise on our webinar right now. So let's go on. We have a lot of things have cleared up in the past few minutes that we've been speaking. And as educators, we'd like to point out that online teaching is definitely harder than teaching in classrooms. But then we have to learn to live with what is happening and make the best out of whatever is best for all of us. And all of this was indeed very helpful. Let me once again remind our existing Silver Oak Kids parents that if there are still some questions that go unanswered in this section in this webinar, we shall be addressing them in a parent orientation program called Binding with Bonding. And our counseling psychologist will be present with us. Even on that day, Ms. Kushali will be with us. And the school and the parents are one team. I'd like to keep emphasizing on that. We are both on the same side and we shall all try and keep it that way. Yeah. Having said that, let's come to our final agenda for this webinar, which is a very interesting section on our webinar. But before that, let me ask Ms. Ankita one more question. Have you heard about blended learning and do you have any knowledge about it?
Right now the word is trending, right?
It is.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Not much idea.
Yeah.
It's just like I think blended learning means something which has been it's a mixture of a pattern which has been followed since years, and plus the learning by nearby circumstances or surrounding, I think.
Yeah.
So in that case, what do you expect from a school when we say online schooling? I think one thing that you said was already what we've covered is that you'd like for them to be interactive, and you'd like for them for the screen time to be a little lesser because kids are already spending time on screens at home. What else do you expect from this online teaching format?
See, actually, as a parent, what right now I am facing as a problem is that in India, they considering a concept of abroad, they have the concept of schooling till 5-year-old, homeschooling till 5 years, right? So we don't have that many equipments over here, but that's not the main concern. The thing is, we don't have a proper structured ideas in our mind. Or for example, if I have 5 bowls, what I can do with these 5 bowls, I cannot just click like an idea cannot click within from me until unless I YouTube it or I search it on Pinterest, because I'm not in a habit of doing that thing.
Right.
It will take me some time, and a proper guidance might bring innovative ideas within me too, and that proper guidance can be given by the teachers. So whatever content they are making online via recorded videos or live sessions, it should be such that it can bond up the child with the current surrounding, because that is what the time requires.
Right.
He or she has to feel secure within the surroundings. He or she has to accept the current scenario. So
Right.
just getting the worksheets done or particular projects done should not be the motto of the school.
I understand. Basically, what comes across very strongly from what you said is that these kids are very small. They're not elder kids. They're not even in 5th, 6th class. Can we tell them that school
Yeah.
jana hai, syllabus complete karna zaruri hai. They're little
Yeah.
kids. To make it so interactive, to make it creative, that's exactly what we're about to talk about in this particular section of our webinar. But before I go on to that interesting part, let me once again go to our counseling psychologist, Ms. Kushali. What do you think should parents expect from schools, and what do you think schools should deliver to parents in the name of online teaching?
Oh, that's an interesting question, क्योंकि कुछ समय पहले बच्चे ने खाना खाया है कि नहीं वो माँ बाप का टेंशन था, और बच्चे ने पढ़ाई की है कि नहीं वो टीचर का टेंशन था. अब वो बाउंड्री जा चुकी है. Now everybody is worried about the child. सबको उसका खाना, उसकी पढ़ाई, उसकी सेहत, उसकी हेल्थ, सबको बच्चे की सारी वेलबींग के बारे में चिंता है. So asking for really different responsibilities from these two parties would be unfair. I would want to, like you said, put them in one box. And I'm going to answer the question to say, what do you expect out of the process where a parent, a child and the school come together. ये जो triangle बनती है वहां पे क्या expect करना चाहिए? मेरा ये belief है कि फिलहाल तो ज्यादा ही, but education के 5 strong pillars होते हैं, and अभी के लिए ये 5 pillars को थोड़ी ज्यादा cement की जरूरत है, and I call them the 5 C's: care, compassion, concern, cooperation and communication. I'm going to repeat that for all my listeners. I feel ये जो triangle process है उसको हमें 5 C pillars पे खड़ा करना है और सीमेंट ज्यादा भरनी है. Care, concern, concern है, worry नहीं है, concern है, compassion, cooperation and communication. I feel these are the 5 things जिसकी बुनियाद पर एक अच्छी स्कूल बन सकती है, एक अच्छा टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस बन सकता है. As an academician, I use these 5 C's with my students all the time. आपको कॉन्सेप्ट आता है कि नहीं? सेकंड क्वेश्चन. आपको ये 5 चीज महसूस हो रही है in the process? That's more important. The second suggestion that I have that we can work in this process of 3 parties together is parents को request करती हूँ कि घर में एक learning corner बनाया जाए, एक special dedicated area for learning हो. It should not be in the living room, it should not be in the hall. आज किचन में आने काले, somewhere else. बच्चों को स्टोर नहीं होता है. In their room एक learning corner. Please studying use मत कीजिए, learning word use कीजिए. Okay, I'm seeing the chats, so I'm going to pause myself. Miss Ankita's baby needs him and requires him. So I guess that is completely okay, Miss Ankita. If your baby needs you, we are more than happy that you joined us for so long. Please do go address your baby. That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss
for
Ankita.
coming.
Much love
Thank
to
you for
your
joining
baby.
us.
Okay,
Thank
it was
you.
a lovely
Thank you.
webinar. Yep.
Thank you for joining
Ah,
us.
bye. Yep.
Bye.
Yeah, I was saying, please don't call it a study corner. Please call it a learning corner. उस corner में उसके toys, उसके books, उसका bag, एक छोटा सा classroom बना दीजिए उसके लिए, घर में ही. I think that should be done. Number 3, जैसे स्कूल चालू होती है, सुबह लेट उठना नहीं, अपने टाइमिंग से नहीं, बाल कैसे भी बनाए हुए स्कूल के सामने नहीं बैठना है, सुबह जल्दी उठना है. 10 o'clock को स्कूल चालू करनी है. आप नहाओगे, आप फ्रेश होगे, आप टिफिन भरोगे, आप ब्रेकफास्ट करोगे और आप स्कूल जाओगे. बस बाहर नहीं जाओगे घर के. स्कूल मतलब आपके घर के स्कूल में जाओगे, आपके घर के लर्निंग कॉर्नर में जाओगे और सुबह सुबह फ्रेश मैम को गुड मॉर्निंग बोलोगे. ये तैयारी करवाना आई गेस पेरेंट के लिए बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल हो जाएगा फॉर द चाइल्ड टू गेट प्रिपेयर्ड इनटू. थर्ड रिक्वेस्ट इज, अगर ऑनलाइन कहीं कुछ और बच्चा देख रहा हो, सुपरविजन की बहुत जरूरत है. For teachers, for schools and for parents, my recommendation are these 2 shows only: Clubhouse Disney and Gully Gully Sim Sim. Scientific studies have proven कि बच्चों की letter recognition, vocabulary and word speech and fluency are far better when the child is not addressing any school for that matter. तो अगर आप घर पे बिठाना चाहते हो और नहीं पढ़ाना चाहते हो तो एटलीस्ट ये 2 shows पे आप फोकस कीजिए. जब स्कूल चालू है तब बच्चों को प्लीज ब्रेक दीजिए. पेरेंट्स को भी ये रिक्वेस्ट है और टीचर्स को भी रिक्वेस्ट है, 15 मिनट का ब्रेक. अब चाहे टीचर अपना टिफिन खोलकर बच्चों के साथ लाइव ऐसे खोल के बैठ के खाएं जैसे हम फिजिकली करते थे, या यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक, गो टेक अ लो ब्रेक एंड कम बैक. लेट द स्कूल स्टे अलाइव इन द माइंड ऑफ द चाइल्ड. बस सेफ्टी के लिए घर घत्ता स्कूल खेलना है, बट लेट इट बी अलाइव इन द चाइल्ड्स हार्ट. जब लाइव स्कूलिंग होती है तब मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है टीचर्स से कि वो बच्चों को दूसरे बच्चों के साथ मिक्स कराएं. तो फेस वीडियो चालू करके say hi to this person, let's welcome this person, let them bond with each other. तो जो सोशो इमोशनल लैगिंग है, खाली टच मिसिंग होगा, but otherwise all other sensory modalities will be very fulfilled for the child. My request to parents also is that in attempt to replace your screen time, any book या न्यूज़पेपर भी चलेगा, प्लीज पढ़िए. 10 मिनट्स ही सही, समझ में भी नहीं आएगा सही, अक्षर तो पता चलते हैं, पिक्चर्स पता चलते हैं, बड़े बड़े जो वर्ड्स है, make them, give them that kinesthetic feel of a newspaper. And my last suggestion, if they can add, is positive psychology is making amazing amount of growth right now, and if happiness as a curriculum can be added, can we teach our children to be mindful and aware? क्या महसूस हो रहा है? Mindfulness is being aware in the here and now. पेट में कुछ हो रहा है, okay? Is that hunger or is that potty? जब हम bodily sensations को mindful कराते हैं, बड़ा होकर बच्चा इस practice से mentally mindful practice कर पाएगा. ये जो feeling आ रही है, ये sadness है या गुस्सा है? Adult को ये करना मुश्किल है. सोचो अगर बचपन से अगर हमने कोशिश की, mindfulness and reflection. What happened? Can I do this any different way? So I feel happiness as a curriculum अगर add करा जाए parent की teaching में और school की में, I guess it would be a lot of benefit. That's what I have from my side.
I guess we've lost Himali.
That's okay. Perhaps we can continue and she'll join us. Perhaps you would like to tell us at Silver Oak Kids what is it that online education is going to be different?
Yes. So parents really would like to see how we are different, like what we have planned for the online schooling. But before I answer that question in an elaborate form, let me show you a small glimpse of how the children learn online at our school.
Okay.
What we have planned, the content online for our children. So let us start. I would like Ms. Dimpy to start with it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. So today I am going to teach the concept of number 6. See what I have. The same book you have at your home. Yes? See, which page is this? 22. So, Mama, Papa, please help the child. Okay. Now, see, which number is this? Number 6. 6. Yes. देखो, screen में भी same page आ रहा है. देखो, number 6. Repeat करो मेरे साथ. Which number is this? Number 6. और 6 के बाजू में देखो कितने सारे डॉग्स है. आपको दिख रहा है? स्क्रीन में भी दिख रहा होगा कितने सारे डॉग्स है. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. अच्छा, ये हो गया हमारा बुक के साथ काउंटिंग, है ना. अभी देखना इक्ता मैम भी आपको एक अच्छी वे में काउंटिंग करवाएंगे. इक्ता मैम.
हाय. अभी पहले तो हम वो देखेंगे कि हम काउंटिंग क्यों करते हैं. आपको पता है, सपोज आपके घर पे 5 फ्रेंड्स आए हैं और आपको सडनली आइसक्रीम लेने जाना हो, तो पहले आप क्या करोगे? पहले काउंटिंग करोगे ना, तो ही आपको पता चलेगा कि भाई मुझे कितना आइसक्रीम लाना है बाहर से. तो फिर सडनली सपोज बेल बजती है और उसमें 1 ऐड होता है आपका फ्रेंड, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कितने फ्रेंड्स हुए? 6. तो फिर 6 नंबर. ओके.
हाँ.
तो हम कितना आइसक्रीम लाएंगे बाहर से? 6. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट काउंटिंग नंबर 6 विथ स्पून्स. अभी देखो मम्मा ने आपके पास जो स्पून्स रखे हैं, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे काउंटिंग विथ स्पून्स. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आप एक एक स्पून पिकअप करोगे और मेरे साथ काउंट करोगे. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 है आपको. 1, 2,
2,
3. Very good.
Thank you.
4,
4,
5
5
and 6.
6.
टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पून्स कितने हुए? 6.
6.
तो अभी मैम देखो, अभी आपको एक वीडियो दिखाते हैं काउंटिंग नंबर 6. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो.
Okay.
Can you see? Let's count the number of sheets. There are 6 sheets. 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5 and
6.
6.
All right. So that was a fabulous demo, although unfortunately due to another technical glitch and the monsoons, I had to miss a bit of the online creative learning class. But then from wherever I saw, the counting of the spoons, the audio visual that we saw are all the elements that would be involved in our online classes. It all shows that online teaching involves a lot more creativity than physical classrooms do. Knowing these teaching plans has hopefully relaxed the many parents about how this online school is, beyond just a classroom. ये सिर्फ एक classroom नहीं है, ये उससे बढ़कर है. हो सकता है कि इसमें ज्यादा मजा आने लगे बच्चों को. ये एक बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट है एक चाइल्ड के टाइम का, वेयर दे कैन नॉट गो आउट टू प्ले. वो लोग बाहर नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हमें उनको घर में प्रोटेक्टेड रखना है, सेफ रखना है. मॉनसून है, कोरोना है, बहुत कुछ है, हम उन्हें बाहर नहीं जाने दे सकते. घर में बैठ के ये उनकी टाइम का सबसे अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट है. एंड आई थिंक वी शुड ऑल मेक दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट. Beautiful, treasured, valuable investment of time. I think we're all responsible for it and we should all choose to do that. That was a lovely demo. Thank you, Miss Ekta. Thank you.
Miss Hemali, can I have one moment after this
So,
video?
please.
I just wanted to explain a few things.
Sure.
Okay, I wanted to tell the parents after this demo that we will not run the video for the children just to see. We want to engage the children live in the classroom. Okay. In this live classroom, we are going to use a co-creative method to teach the concept. Now, we did this in our physical classroom too when the children were coming to school. But we just upgraded this method for our online teaching. Okay. Now, for example, the child is in today's lecture, saw that how the number 6 is written, okay, learned how to read the number 6, saw its application in daily living, like how ma'am said, okay, friends, ice cream. So it's an application. And they had fun while counting. You know, I am sure even we had fun while counting, right? So this is a talking software that we have got it developed through our publication who have supplied us the books. They have been very cooperative with this. And so, like I said, the show does not end here. In this online classes, the children will learn from the various puppets, toys, Montessori aids, what we have invested. And these are really amazing Montessori materials that we have in our school, which the children have been enjoying when they were coming to school. It's just that they won't be able to touch. We are going to show it to them and they are going to get attracted, glued to the screen that, oh, my ma'am has come with this toy today, with that toy tomorrow, they are going to come. So it's going to be really fun. They're going to wait for the next class. We are going to create that curiosity that, okay, tomorrow who will be there with them. So that's really fun. And since our teachers will be conducting online classes from the school campus, the children receive the best that we have to offer. My mentors are really going through rigorous training and I'm sure the children are going to have the online schooling as fun. So nothing changes, everything is the same, but just the mode of learning. बच्चा safely अपने घर में पढ़ेगा without cutting any quality cost. I'm sure of that. Now, I just wanted to make one more announcement with the parents. I just wanted to inform them that whoever are watching and are interested in more live classes like what we saw just now, to clear their confusion if they still have, we are here for you. So don't worry. From 25th to 29th, except the Sunday, we have arranged for live demo classes of 4 different subjects for you and your children. You can contact us if you are keen, like you can take the free trial for your child. As soon as this video ends, we are going to share a registration form on our FB page, Instagram page. You can even call us and you can feel free to register and grab this opportunity. We are here and like Kushali ma'am says, let the child not get deprived of their education. They have the right to education. So please be with us. Thank you very much. Ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, superb. So we get the understanding that we are indeed on the right track, and now we've got the lovely announcement of some live demo classes where we'll be covering 4 subjects, and that should, whatever confusions that we've not able to clarify today will be clarified in those demo sessions. Plus we also have an orientation session with the existing parents coming soon, where other set of confusions will be cleared. So there's a lot coming up, for which, like Viswati just shared, you have to stay tuned to our Facebook page where you'll get all information regularly. And with this, we come to an end of today's webinar. You can come back to watching this live video later on again if you've missed any part of it. We'll also be sharing a recorded version of this video, this webinar on YouTube. Feel free to share it around on WhatsApp, on other social media with people who also have similar concerns. Maybe you could be helping somebody resolve their concerns too. And please understand that we're here for you and all your concerns are heard. And thank you so much to all the panelists for your time. And thank you parents for listening in. We leave on the note that all the parents are less anxious and hopefully more on board with us. We shall see you all existing parents face to face for the parent orientation program. In that, you'll all be on the panel. So whenever you want to speak, you can speak and your questions will be answered. So that will be like a one-on-one program. You shall receive the link, the information, the details, the timings, the day, everything very soon. जाते जाते एक छोटी सी बात, अगर पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स एक हो जाए तो ऐसी कोई ताकत नहीं है जो बच्चों के खिलाफ काम कर सकती है। इसी उम्मीद के साथ हम आज का सेशन यहीं खत्म करते हैं। टेक केयर एवरीवन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ,
बाय।
There is a chat for you to see.